Cleaning off the snow. Times like this, I wish I had a garage. Like anybody's page who has a garage and doesn't have to deal with shoveling off snow. This is ridiculous. Not perfect, but it'll do. Should I wipe the top off or not? Because when I drive, it's just going to blow off. So I'll wipe some of it off. Okay. Back is looking good. Sides are looking really good. And the door handle's off. Alrighty. Oh, Jesus. So all the snow I just cleaned off on my front window and my back window is right back because I'm cleaning my top off. Alright. Almost there. Can you see me in the reflection of the mirror? Yes, I'm breathing hard. Oh, going on, slide down, snow. You know what? Turn my wiper blades back on. Close the window. Close the door. Because if I don't close the door, all the snow gets inside my car. Hold on. Hi guys. So I am about to go out in this weather. It's not crazy, but it was snowing earlier. And I just well, not washed, but just brushed off my car. And now I am forced to have to go to the store because I have to take my movies back. And I guess I should have looked at the weather to know that it was going to snow today. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten movies and knowing that I had to come back out and take them back to keep from being charged a late fee. So, out to the movies I go. So I am in Snook's grocery store trying to figure out what would be good for dinner tonight. I just dropped my movies off and I don't know what I want to cook. If you ever find yourself in the grocery store not knowing what would be good to eat, and there's plenty of options, and I don't want to do any takeout. I prefer to cook if I can, but I don't know what to cook. So I'm just wandering around the store trying to get ideas, not knowing what to cook. So, and using this as an excuse not to go back outside in the snow. Of course, Snooks didn't shovel off their lot. I mean, I'm sure they knew it was going to snow, and their lot is real slushy, so they need plows on their lot to shovel that snow to the side. So, in the meantime, I'm just walking around trying to figure it out. So, all right, bye.